Civil society organizations known for advocating for human rights have convened their fifth Human Rights Convention discussing the role of national human rights institutions as key drivers of migration and strategies of advancing sustainable peace, fairness, inclusivity, and developed societies. While officiating at the event, Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister Norbert Mao decried the deteriorating relationship between civil society organizations and the government, accusing both actors of using derogatory language in the name of advocating for human rights.
I see in the newspapers and on some Twitter posts, civil society leaders saying, Mao has now joined the junta. You know, junta. Obviously, if you are an NGO and you use the word junta, then you have joined the dance of monkeys. So I want to ask civil society organizations that if you join the dance of monkeys, the monkey's tail will touch your face. So please avoid it. It is not healthy because the lions have long tails. So leave us to do our dance with the parties with whom we compete for power. That one is a fair game. It is extremely unfair for you to join our dance.
Speaking on the issue of abductions and kidnaps, Mao challenged civil society organizations to walk the talk of advocacy through actions instead of paying lip service to human rights violations. This was in response to the German ambassador's earlier request for a report on the alleged human rights violations before, during and after the 2021 general elections, as he spoke at the same event.
We are still waiting for a report on the killings of November 18th and 19th, 3 years ago, and for the perpetrators to be held accountable. I have not given up hope that this will happen.
And you, our glorious gladiators, advancing the cause of human rights in Uganda, I have not received any petition. I don't think the Minister of Internal Affairs has received the petition. And I don't think even the Parliament, even the biggest opposition party in Parliament, I don't think they have an idea of how to do it in an institutional manner.
Also in attendance was Kenya's former Attorney General, Professor Githu Muigai, who warned that unless Africa's leaders and the youth wake up to the occasion, Africa's colonial legacy will continue to haunt her.
It is a challenge for younger Africans to take their own destiny in their hands, to reimagine an Africa in which, like she says, we take charge of our own resources.
By design, the Human Rights Convention is a platform for human rights defenders to speak truth to the government on matters regarding accountability, the rule of law, and governance, among others. Dorcas Kimono, UBC News.